All right, what you get is you get the instructions, very thorough instructions. There's a power connection. Now you get a power connection, but you have an option to put batteries in here to save the actual data. If you guys notice, let's take a look at the back and also to display the actual system. They give you a template and you could just use this as a template to screw the holes in there where you have to actually set up the screws or the nails if you can hammer this in. Either way, it's very simple and thorough. On the timer itself, let's take a look at the actual clock. There's a snooze button, there's a setup button, there's a clock down. You could send it from 24 to 12 hours, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then alarm, and then their timer. Of course, you can use the timer, and now to reset the timer, it tells you right here, you could do it with these two buttons manually. This is a manual setup. On the bottom, you have auto, you have brightness, which is high and low. On auto, it's gonna adjust itself during the daylight. During the night, it will automatically turn up high. So let's go ahead and plug this in, all right? Automatically came on as soon as the wireless kicked in. It picked up the time by itself. I didn't make any changes to anything. It's amazing. I just went in there, set up English. It automatically picked up all the stuff automatically. So we're gonna disconnect it right now, and we're gonna see what happens when you disconnect it. And this is 221. We're gonna disconnect it. Crazy thing about it, we're gonna come back in about a couple minutes and reconnect it instead of a couple of seconds. All right, we're gonna reconnect this and see if the clock actually kept its time. And if you guys notice, it kept its time. It just automatically, I didn't have to set anything up. I didn't have to do nothing. It automatically configured itself with the time. This is a plus for me. I don't have to go into the remote and make some changes. If you want to do the timer remote, this is perfect. If you have a timer, if you have something to set up, you can set this up with a timer. I like that it shows you the degrees, Fahrenheit to Celsius. You can do that. Today is Monday. It is 2:25 p.m. right now. I'm looking at the actual digital clock and I'm looking at the clock and they all match the same. So, and then we're going to set up the timer. You can do the timer if you want. We're going to put it at, right now we're going to put it auto. So the auto will automatically adjust. Now the time, you guys can see the timer, hit the timer, and then we hit the start button. You could do the start button here where it says snooze. It starts the timer right there automatically. When you stop it, you could do the snooze button again. To reset it, it will be these two buttons, or you could do it from the actual control. See how it sets it up already, or you can do it like I said, the remote control. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, we're gonna set the clock up. I already screwed the two mounts in there. You guys can see that. Let's set these up. Set one of them up first. And that's it. Let it go. Plug it in. I have not changed anything. It's been unplugged for a while. We're gonna see if the actual timer still picks up. So let's go ahead and set that up. And it is 2:42. It didn't change. It's perfect. Beautiful. I would just hide the cable. Beautiful. In my desk. This is my desk right here. I like to have a clock right over me. Beautiful clock. Like the lighting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.